I actually started collecting things when I was a kid, just something in my nature that I love the hunt of finding unique items and antiques and different things. I'm Jim, I'm from Dallas-Fort Worth. I've been in commercial construction for 24 years. I'm an avid collector of a lot of different things, but I'm really just a guy that enjoys the hunt of looking for something that's one-off, unique. I have a sports memorabilia case. Underneath it's all brown footballs in the center section. I have guys like Reggie White, Derek Thomas, Walter Payton. That's actually a plan table that I use to work on drawings. I have probably 150 baseballs. We have unbreakable glass on this. All the hinges are concealed. It's rift cut white oak. You got a set of cases that looks, it's a high quality product. You don't want to just stick a big old hasp and lock out there on the outside. So I wanted something that was concealed, but it was functional and heavy duty. When I worked in the construction field with my own hands, I don't just kind of hodgepodge things together. So when I'm building something for myself personally, I don't want to go back to that over and over, year after year, having to fix it. I don't want it to become a problem. There's a saying around here that you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. And so when I looked for a product, I wanted something that was do it once, do it right, and don't worry about it again. And Senseon's system's a key part of that. We did our own installation of the product, so we did have some technical questions. And as far as helping us, these guys are Johnny on the spot. You can shoot them an email with your cell phone number, and they're calling me back within 10 minutes. It's really a plug-and-play system. If a guy can go from cord to cord and hub to hub, it's drill the holes, and it's pretty simple to make it work. I want a system that is going to operate every time we need to use it. You have access to important documents in there. If there's a failure, they fail closed. If you forget to lock your system after a time delay, which is adjustable, it's going to reset and lock itself. So every cabinet you have that's closed is locked up. I don't access the cabinets a lot. If I were using my files and things like that on a daily basis, they have an option for a fob or like a wristband type product. I like the card swipe system. Just keep the cards put up. I would say up to this point, we've had 0 issues with the system. If someone was looking to purchase a Senseon product, I'd say you're getting a high quality product. If you want to do it once, do it right and move on, not have to worry about it. Next task at hand, I would say Senseon's your choice.